To transfer your YouTube account to a brand account, it's quite simple but a little bit complicated. So you basically have to create a different account. So in your YouTube channel, you would go to settings, and in here you will go to add or manage your channel. So in this case I already did it, but first I just had this one, and you would create a channel. So as you can see, I just named it account to delete or unite. So that's literally all you do. Just select the name, select the handle. It doesn't matter what it is because it's gonna get deleted. So once you do that, you'll see the two accounts in here. Make sure to select this one. So once you're here, view advanced settings, and you're gonna click on move channel to a brand account. So it's gonna ask to sign in. Alright, so this is the channel that I'm gonna be moving, and this is the channel I'm gonna move it to. And this is a brand account. That's the main thing I need right now. So I understand, scroll down. So this is the channel that's gonna get deleted, and this is the channel to move and update your channel. So this is what it says right there, channel after move. Okay. Alright, so you're gonna click on move channel. Your YouTube channel has been successfully moved. It may take up to 10 minutes. So the main reason why I wanted to do this was so I could add, oh, that's not good. So if I go to my YouTube, let's see, that's kind of scary. Alright, so I just went back to YouTube, my account, and I see that I've got my channel here, and let's see. Perfect. So the main thing I wanted to do was be able to add users. That's why I moved this channel to a brand account. So to do that, I'm gonna go back to settings in here, and now I have this channel managers. If you go back to the beginning of the video, you'll see I didn't have this before, but now that it's moved into a brand account, now you're able to add managers to your YouTube account. And perfect. So in here you would add user, change roles, you would click manage permissions, verify, and then if I click on this again, it should let me add someone else. So if you need to add team members, first you need to change your YouTube account to a brand account, and then you're able to add different people. And this works similar to Google Business Profile, where you can add someone and a week later you can make them the main owner of that account. So if I go back, actually, oops. So I should have shown you how to add someone. So going back to settings, add or remove manage users, click the passkey again, manage permissions, click on the plus sign, add an email, and then you can make them an owner or a manager. So if you just want them to maybe monitor add videos, things, manage the YouTube channel. That's what Manager is for.